the biggest controversy that we are talking about as far as leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is concerned, because he seems to have declared an all-out war against the very idea of India. The man who is often seen flaunting the Indian constitution in every public appearance, Rahul Gandhi has now taken a new pledge. He has now vowed to fight the Indian state itself. Rahul Gandhi, according to him, he believes that the RSS and the BJP has captured every institution across the country, and hence this is no longer a fight of political organization. He says this is a war now against the very Indian state itself. Now, is this Mohabbat ki dukaan that Congress party talks about? Is this how Rahul Gandhi and the India bloc is going to save the constitution? Or is this a mutiny against the very foundation of our nation? Listen into first what he said.
That do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. There is no fairness in this. If you believe that we are fighting a political organization called the BJP, that we are fighting a political organization called the RSS, you have not understood what is going on. The BJP and the RSS have captured every single institution of our country. We are now fighting the BJP, the RSS, and the Indian state itself.
In the meantime, the update that is now coming across from the BJP side, because the BJP chief has now gone all out against Rahul Gandhi, saying that Congress's ugly truth has now been exposed, saying that Rahul apparently has also links with the urban Naxals, and this is JP Nadda's statement that is now coming across. Yes, Sagrika, and we also have Mohit also joining us. Yes, Sagrika.
JP Nadda, the Bharatiya Janata Party chief and union minister, lashing out at the Congress party and Rahul Gandhi. In two posts on social media platform X, he goes on to say, and I quote, "Hidden no more. Congress's ugly truth now stands exposed by their own leader. I compliment Mr. Rahul Gandhi for saying clearly what the nation knows, that he is fighting the Indian state. It is no secret that Mr. Gandhi and his ecosystem have close links with the urban Naxals and the deep state who want to defame, demean and discredit India. His repeated actions have also strengthened this belief. Everything he has done or said has been in the direction of breaking India and dividing our society." In the other post, he goes on to say, Congress has a history of encouraging all those forces who want a weak India. Their greed for power meant compromising nation's integrity and betraying the trust of the people. But the people of India are wise. They have decided that they will always reject Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his rotten ideology. So from calling this rotten ideology of Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, the BJP chief and the BJP are going all out against Rahul Gandhi over his fighting the Indian state remark.
All right, Sagrika, thank you for that. Let's get in a word from Mohit, because we are also expecting, as far as the reactions that time and again have been coming in from the BJP side, they are taking on not just Rahul Gandhi, but the Congress party and its ideology, and also against the India bloc. If they don't believe in the very idea of India, exactly what did Rahul Gandhi say today? Because he's been taking on the BJP, the RSS, and now against the very Indian state itself. Listen in.
That do not think that we are fighting a fair fight. There is no fairness in this. If you believe that we are fighting a political organization called the BJP, that we are fighting a political organization called the RSS, you have not understood what is going on. The BJP and the RSS have captured every single institution of our country. We are now fighting the BJP, the RSS, and the Indian state itself.
All right. Well, that is the comment that has now come in. Of course, we are expecting a sharp retort also to come in from the BJP side in the briefing there. But hitting back is the BJP chief himself, JP Nadda, who has said that it is no longer hidden as far as Congress's ugly truth that is now exposed by their own leader. Let's in the meantime